Welcome to Oil and Gas Investor Headlines for the week ending in June 24th. I'm your host, Heather Rosenbaum. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank our sponsor, Navport. For more information on their upstream data solutions, visit navport.com. Starting off with what many are saying is a win for the oil and gas industry, a federal judge appointed by President Barack Obama has ruled U.S. Bureau of Land Management fracking regulations sidestepped congressional authority and are invalid, which comes as a blow to Obama's climate initiatives. The rules would have placed additional regulations on hydraulic fracturing of federal and Indian lands. And A&D's hot streak is continuing, as long as you're looking at the stack play or the Permian Basin. This week, QEP Resources broke records with a transaction in the Midland Basin, according to a KeyBank analyst. The company entered into an agreement with multiple parties, including RK Petroleum, to acquire 9,400 Permian assets for about $600 million. That equates to $58,000 per acre. The acreage includes more than 430 horizontal drilling locations over 4 horizons. Marathon Oil Corp also expanded its position, but in the stack play, to acquire about 61,000 net acres for $888 million from EnCap's Payrock Energy Holdings. The purchase comes just months after Marathon jettisoned nearly $1 billion worth of non-core assets. This brings the company's stack position to roughly 200,000 net surface acres. And back in the Permian, Energon Corp is finally becoming a Permian pure player, a move the company began aggressively pursuing back in 2009. Energon said this week it has closed or signed purchase and sale agreements with multiple buyers for gross proceeds over $551 million. The sale includes non-core assets in the Delaware and San Juan basins. Thanks for watching this week's Oil and Gas Investor Headlines. For more stories, including what Anadarko Petroleum's CEO says about when shale production will begin to grow again, visit oilandgasinvestor.com. See you next week. To stay up to date on the most recent hard energy videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here.